Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a minimal environment. Make sure Python 3.10 or newer is active and a virtual environment is used. Once done, pip install Django and Django framework because the REST toolkit streamlines serializers and views. Create your project and an app, then add the app and REST framework to installed apps. You'll also initialize a simple model to expose. This first batch gets the scaffolding in place, so you can focus on API design instead of setup details. You'll now translate data to endpoints, define your models, and run Python manage. Make migrations, then migrate. Once done, create serializers with model serializer to map model fields to JSON. This reduces boilerplate. Next, implement viewsets. Model viewset covers list, retrieve, create, update, destroy. Register those views with default router in your app URLs. And include the router in the project URLs. Make sure permissions are set so only intended users can access resources. You finish by securing and testing the API. Choose token or JWT auth, add REST framework auth classes, and wire token endpoints. Once done, enable the browsable API or Swagger/Open API so you can inspect schemas and try requests interactively. Run comprehensive tests with curl or an HTTP client and verify status codes and payloads. If something breaks, check Django logs, database migrations, and serializer validation errors. Those 3 spots.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.